What's up guys, and welcome to another video. Today I will show you 5 or 7 tweaks should be installed after the jailbreak. OTA Disabler. How you can block over-the-air OTA updates via cydia. This works on iOS 9, 10, 11, 12 and latest iOS 13. You just need to install this tweak through cydia and your device will be safe from automatic OTA updates. If you recently jailbreak your iOS 13.5 with Uncover and now you want to keep the jailbreak, so you should disable automatic OTA updates. Reprovision. Reprovision is a free jailbreak iPhone tool to sign IPA files. It doesn't require a developer account, and to run it you need to use an app-specific password to sign into an app not provided by Apple. Depending on version you can also use Apple ID and password to sign IPAs. Install the app and forget about revokes. A general-purpose jailbreak detection bypass patch. Configure the Liberty Light entry in the Settings app to block most apps from detecting your jailbreak. Disabling Substrate Substitute is not currently supported. Support for both ARM64E and ARMv7 has been enabled in this beta version. Filzer. Filzer app is the most advanced file manager created for iOS devices. The powerful file manager is compatible with iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, offering a lot of useful features. It is packed with cloud services, file viewers, compressors, support for shell scripts, an option to install IPA, and more. Works on iOS 13.5 on all devices. iCleaner Pro app. iCleaner Pro is an iOS system cleaner and optimizer offering a lot of useful features. Use the app to remove unused languages, keyboards, voice control languages, definition dictionaries, non-retina images, wallpapers, reset preferences of cydia tweaks, and more advanced options include switcher to disable processes that are launched upon system startup or at a later time and run in the background. Enable or disable tweaks installed via cydia, or manage preference bundles are responsible for displaying preferences for tweaks in the Settings app. Term 2 app. New Term 2 is a terminal emulator for iOS offering features like a tab-based interface, a selection of themes and fonts, and copy and paste. It's a quick solution to run commands directly on your iPhone or working on projects on your iPad or SSH to a server that crashed while you're on vacation. The latest version of this cydia app is fully compatible with the newest version of iOS 13. New Term 2 can be used to install new packages, remove cydia apps from the console, manage files, execute system commands, and more. Best cydia apps list must contain at least one terminal app. Color badge. Colorize your badges. Color badges will modify badges based on the app icon colors. To increase contrast, color badges will also add an outline around the badge. Color badges will colorize folder badges based on the highest numbered badge inside the folder, or the first badge if none of them are numbered. Goodbye guys, and don't forget like and subscribe.